Hi everyone, it's Friday. I'm going to show you my vegan lunch. So Friday, I'm not seeing any patient. I'm just work from home in the office and make some video, something like that. So I'm going to show you. I'm just cook my vegan lunch myself and boil some water and put all the veggie in. So green, capsicum for my mom and dad out of garden, and tofu, right? Tofu and fresh shiitake mushroom. And as well as, look at this, we have rice noodles, and this is seaweed, right? So all this thing, and the main thing is in here. There's the sauce, and we have soy sauce, chili, and vinegar, and sesame oil. Over here, dip it in here, and it's so yummy. So it's simple being vegan. So I encourage you be a vegan. It's gonna be healthier.